who've been rocking with me for a long time know that I am a gym junkie and I'm serious about my activewear. You need activewear that can help you perform in the gym, things that you're not pulling and tugging on, pieces that are comfortable, and pieces that make you feel good so you feel confident, energized, and ready to put in some intense work to get the most out of your workout. I've got some incredible new pieces in that I am absolutely thrilled about, and let me tell you, they get the job done. So I have two new pieces in from Fanka. Now, Fanka makes incredible activewear. They don't just look good. These pieces are meant to perform. So first of all, check out these incredible leggings. These are the Power Band Resistance leggings, and I'm telling you, part of the performance is in the name. This beautiful striping detail that you see throughout the garment, they're not just for looks. These are actually built-in resistance bands, which means that they work to boost fat and energy burn. So your garments are actually helping to increase the intensity of your workout and your overall performance because they also provide great muscle support. Now let's talk about the sculpting effect. Do you see the waistband on these leggings? This is serious tummy control. I mean, when you put these babies on, it's going to suck you in, snatch that tummy, smooth everything out. Honey, there are not going to be any bulges anywhere in this Power Band Resistance legging. And it's got a super high waist, which I really, really appreciate. You don't have to worry about the roll down because these babies aren't going anywhere. Our resistance lines across the back, honey, the way that these are constructed, they are going to lift, shape, and sculpt that booty. So you're walking into the gym looking like you live there. They're like you've already put in the work. You're just there for maintenance. And the construction on them is so fantastic that you don't look or feel like a rolled up sausage. They are really meant to make you look great, but also to support your muscles while you're doing intense workouts. And again, with these built-in resistance bands, the leggings themselves are boosting your workout. So you're really getting a 2-for-1 in terms of your overall resistance and intensity of your workout. And they really took the time to think about and consider a woman's body. So you also have a no drop crotch. Like, I know you guys know what I'm talking about when you've got on those leggings that you're constantly tugging them at the crotch. Who wants to be tugging at their crotch when they're in the gym trying to get a good workout? You lose the focus on the exercise itself, and then your leggings just look sloppy, it's not flattering, and that doesn't help to boost your confidence. And let's be real, you're in the gym, you're working on your body, you want to look and feel your best, and when you have the right gear, you feel more confident going into the gym. So you won't be in your head, you'll be in your workout. And of course, these do have the all-important side pocket, which is great. You can slip your cell phone in there, your lip gloss, or whatever you need. It's super convenient. It's a nice deep pocket, and it's strategically placed. These leggings are sure to please and sure to be a fan favorite. I'm telling you, they look amazing. They feel amazing. The fabric, the quality, and the construction is absolutely incredible. And because we're going into those colder months, I paired it with this beautiful long sleeve top made with the same power resistance bands. You've got them going down the length of the arm. So as you're lifting weights, they're adding that additional resistance to boost the energy and fat burn. When your workout wear is the part of the workout, honey, that is called working double duty. Love the striping detail across the back, and this top, super sculpting and supportive. I'm not even wearing a sports bra underneath. This baby is so supportive. It keeps the girls in place. They're not moving. I'm comfortable throughout my workout, and I look absolutely fantastic. You've got the waist snatching resistance bands going across the back, and I like that this top has nice long sleeves with the finger holes, and it's a really nice long line top. So for those of us who want more coverage in the tummy area, this is absolute perfection. Definitely definitely check out Fanka's website. They have an incredible collection. I own several pieces that I've shared with you guys in some previous hauls. They have so many great pieces in great styles, great colors. There's definitely something for everyone. They have a 30-day return policy, so if something doesn't work for you or you just need to switch out the size, you've got plenty of time to get that done. But the pieces are absolutely amazing. The quality on their activewear is A1 chef's kiss. I promise you will be blown away by the fit, the performance, and the styling. I have been working with Fanka for quite a while. I do have a discount code for you all. It's Born to Be Zesty 10, where you can get 10% off your purchase. I highly, highly, highly recommend the Power Band Resistance leggings. There's nothing like them on the market, and I promise you will absolutely love them. Be sure to let me know if you check out Fanka and let me know what you decided to pick up. Again, I will have links for all of the items in the description box below.